right, so let's continue, right? So we have our first drop to oh 06 all the way from 14, right? We've been short 14 and change to oh 06, right? 1406. And remember oh 03. We know that oh 06 was going to stop it. That's 8 points for us. And now we have the next hurdle is 103. Okay. So since this morning, right? We've been we've been long the main play, and we've been hunting a counter trend short because we know the odds as to what the price was going to do in the future, right? Well, this is the future, right? 90 minutes ago, when we read the market and established what the price was going to do in the future, it's this. This is the future. So so we've known about the predetermined pivot 14 half an hour before the open, and then the smart money gave us enough enough hints as to the strength of 97. We take it as a loan. We know it's gonna go to 14, and then, but we also know that what the future was in Spain. So all this move up, according to our system, is nothing but a squeeze of the bears, right? Because if we know that in the future the price is gonna go, today it's gonna go down, then anything above all those our resistances is nothing but a squeeze, right? It's the smart money squeezing the bears, the weak bears, right? The teenagers on YouTube, those who claim that they're big shot traders, right? They're being squeezed on their demo account because we all know that they have never taken a trade in their life, and yet they have 150 million followers on YouTube, right? Well, it is what it is. So all of this has been a squeeze, right? Now the confirmation is gonna be when and if the price breaks 97. If it doesn't, then we're just the overall market direction that I've been telling you all day long is sideways. So I know that the odds are a recoil of resistance and a bounce of support. Right, so far so good. So we've been hunting that counter trend share, expecting this counter trend short that we are right now 14 to turn into the main play. It is not the main play until 97 is taken. However, look at the ride that we've had. 10 points from 14, testing oh 04. That's 10 points in our pocket already. And we know the importance of 11, oh 09, oh 06. We are all watching it together. We know that the next is oh 03. Remember, we've been rising support. We started at 93. We rose it to oh 03, and then we rose it to 11. The more support our bearish setup takes, the more comfortable we are. And so we already have a 10 point in our pocket, right? We never let a winner turn into a loser. We are right now pretty decent green day, providing the 15 points that we make on the uptrend and the 10 points that we have right now on the counter trend, right? We're pretty good. My point is, if the price never takes 97, which I'm telling you, 97 is stronger, right? This 97 right here, this is a triple support, my friend. All right, this 97 is way stronger than 16. All righty, so only those of us who have a system that can tell the future can dare to claim that eventually it's going to be taken. So we are already up 10 points on this pullback. But if it never happens, we already have 10 points. We're never going to let a 10 pointer turn into a loser, right? Price goes right back down. It takes our trail. we get the hell out of, and then we'll be looking if there is no new reading, if there is not a new rotation on this cycle, then we continue believing that the price is at least gonna break 03 and test 97. And believe you me, when that happens, if that happens, we have to see if there is new information that can give us an odd enhancer as to whether the smart money is still planning in taking 97 and go all the way to 93. The market is so vicious that the way the market destroys teenagers on YouTube when they just started trading 5 years ago, it makes them believe that they got it because they're adding to a loser. They have no idea what's coming to them. So the market lures them into believing that they know how to do this, and then bang, it destroys them. 19, right, ladies and gentlemen? Alrighty then. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So target 2 for the current and going main play long 98, 99. Target 1 hit long time ago at 10:30. Target 2 hit right here, right now, 19. Right? Right. Because remember, until 97 is not completely taken, we want to go to target 1, target 2, and target 3 for the main play long. In the meantime, we just made 10 nice points from our counter trend short 14 all the way to 04. Price goes and then it springs back up, violent, vicious, beautiful, takes our trail, right? Easy. And then we continue riding our main play long 97 all the way to target 3. No, Cappy, I got out of that a long time ago because I thought that the counter trend was going to eventually take 97 and we were going to buy 2 Lamborghinis today. Well, look at that's why we do what we do, you know? There is no guarantees, right? And that's always being a counter trend. The shorts always being a counter trend. All right. So our job right now is to figure out target 3. Where is it gonna go next? Now that we had this strong uh, turnaround, right? Okay. So let's see. Okay. Boom. Okay. Alrighty then. So 19, right, is our target 2. We know that our levels of resistance are magical, and look at what happened, right? Price goes to target 2, 19, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, and on these 2 points, right? Okay, so the counter trend right here, it's in danger, right? We're not gonna, you know, we can easily see this strong move, and we believe that there's nothing. Let me see, 24. Okay, 1933. Of course, there are a couple of levels of resistance right here by way of, right, some destination. I don't have it yet, but this 33, my friends, is target 3. Think about this, right? So the main play long, right, 97 goes all the way to 14, and it goes all the way to 19 target, right? 14. All right, 14 to 97, that's 15, 16, 17 points. And between target 1 and target 2, it's only 5 points. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. That's target 2. That's my friends, that's a rule based mathematical trading system. Rule based, mathematical. Target 1 is 14, target 2 is 19. Target 1 is 16, 17 points from entry, and target 2 is only 5 points from target 1. And we have the coconuts to counter trend it short. And look at the pullback. All right. And target 3 is 33. And we know that I can change it anytime because we all know that the market is dynamic. But that's a tentative target 3, 33. Okay, so you need to understand all of that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I told you this is this spike that we had, that U-turn, right? That we had off of oh 04. I told you it's real. That's why we have two more targets: 26 here, mid range, and 33, right? Okay. Of course, yeah, sure, this is a real uptrend, and we all know that the trend is your friend until it's not anymore. And 99.9% of teenagers on YouTube, they had no idea when the trend is not your friend anymore because they have no clue as to what a strong, in this case, resistance is gonna be. And look at it, right? So our system right here, we can measure all this move. Is this uptrend real? Is this a pullback? Or right? Or is this a complete retracement? Or a reversal? Is this nasty spike for the bears, for us bulls, those of us who are still 1 unit left long 97, 98, 99? We're loving it, right? Because the original uh, uh, the original main play long has not been invalidated, even though we had a pullback from 16 all the way to 04, right? That's a beautiful pullback. Way, look at that. 04, 05, from 97, right? That's still 8 points above 97. So the main play long far from being invalidated. So we continue going, stop, break even, trail. We know exactly where each of one of our supports and our resistance, and we continue playing the main play, and we continue taking shots, short term counter trends, and we know counter trend is by definition against the main trend. Therefore, the management of it is different. All right. Okay. And what are we doing right now? Counting on the price to continue going to target 333. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is target 3 completed. Remember, right? It's very difficult for people new traders, it's very difficult for them to change hats when the time comes. And the system that we use here just plain told us that the change in direction after the pullback was real. So we went on and let it ride all the way to target 3. And now we have one last exit, which is the last target. And let me go ahead and look for it. In the meantime, we just continue doing the same thing. Stop, break even, let it ride, start trailing. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So one one car, right? Just one car in the last target unit. Let's ride it all the way to 66. By then, it's gonna be pretty late already during the day, and it's a good level to be all